you somebody who is consistent but not experiencing growth? Could it be possible that you are consistently stuck in old patterns and strategies that are no longer serving your business? Lego, for 66 years, they never had a downhill year. But in 1998, they went from 186 million to 48 million because there was a digital revolution. Digital began to trump creativity. But while they were on the decline, George Lucas was developing Star Wars. And he had this great idea to develop a Star Wars Lego video game. But when approached, the vice president of Lego declined because he saw this as an obstacle. He was very frustrated with the digital movement and he declined. But luckily his grandson saw this as an opportunity and said yes, and they went on to create a Star Wars Lego video game, and since then created over 20 video games and 4 movies, and just one of those movies grossed $1 billion worldwide. So let me ask you, when we're talking about social media changes and marketing strategies and new trends, do you see that as an obstacle in your business or as an opportunity?